Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, parking assist system, premium sound system, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Make a great choice today with the 2019 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.